Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to delete group on Fiverr. Remember, only the group admins have the ability to delete a group on Fiverr. If you are an admin, you can delete the group, which will remove it for all the members. To do this, first tap Open Application or visit the official website fiverr.com. Either way, make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on the group you want to delete. Now tap on the three dots located on the top right. Go to Chat Info. Here you will see various options including enabling disappearing messages, participants list, background, hiding the chat, snoozing the chat, clearing the chat content, and right below clear chat content you will see leave and delete. Tap on leave and delete. Then this pop-up message will appear. Here it says that if you delete this conversation, you will also leave the group and will stop receiving related messages. You can mute the chat or leave and delete the chat or just cancel this if you are not sure. Here we are deleting the group, so tap on leave and delete. And here you go. You have successfully deleted group on Fiverr. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.